Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. We go to the park tomorrow. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. She her hair before leaving. Option C is the correct answer. Question 3. They late. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. I think he right. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. We the movie. Option C is the correct answer. Question 6. He a treehouse in the garden. Option D is the correct answer. Question 7. She to the gym regularly. Option D is the correct answer. Question 8. I a strange noise. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. We finished our homework. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. The student studying hard. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. He often his keys. Option D is the correct answer. Question 12. She a red dress. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. I the door. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. They all the cake. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. He his room every day. Option D is the correct answer.